Insurance.
Yes, sir.
Some NDX laggards pre-market. If you missed the news a few moments ago, Tesla Q1 deliveries.
Hello. Good morning. Welcome to another ES Futures trading stream. We are Wednesday, April 2nd. Alright. I am kind of like starting to understand Sierra, the configurations of Sierra. I got my matching. There's still something here. Regarding value, for example, in window, I have value at low 26, value at low in in Sierra is 30, it's 10 points difference. I don't like that. I need to check. I need to check what's going on here. I don't know what the heck is going on here. All right. The overnight inventory is almost 100% short, very short. It is inside. The most important thing to me is inside yesterday's range. Remember, yesterday's low was super questionable. And we talk about this low here. We also talk about. Please let me know if how good this the resolution of this stream is in your screen. We also talk about this low in. Did I talk about this? No, I was talking in Discord in this thing, alright? Where it is? I was talking, highlighting this. To whoever wanna hear. This was before the break. I put this before this break happens. There was something here. Right? Maybe the long here was super risky. The last thing I want to be here was long. And after that, the break started to happen. This was an opportunity. I hope you got something there. I think the only opportunity we have yesterday, clear, right? And highlighted this. The way the market was going high, we highlighted this thing. Of course, this from the low. The overnight session has retraced most of the range. Almost all of this range is gone now. Can you see? Notice that it's trading between the 8% and 9%, very mechanical as well. Most of the homework related job is basically almost unchanged. We have, for example, the monthly. We have the monthly. You know what? Let me call this call better because I have it there. I don't want to do this again. I just have a few moments before the opening. The main thing in the monthly is below this 5-day range, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 57.25 is resistance. This is the main thing. What the market does relative to this level for me is very important. What is this? Very important. what the market does relative to this range here in the monthly time frame. That's what I'm watching. The market is taking shape. This is a 20 something range. The market has checked this range, didn't have acceptance. It's coming back now. Let's see. It's getting away from this bigger one. The main references in the weekly, 57.24 again, and I guess the major ones are the ones in the lower side, which is this low here, and that one is about 50% pullback from year over year relative range. Very close to the 50% fallback from last year as well. That's in the weekly. Daily, I am running here, right? In the daily, this starts to have some relevance, and that this mark here is what I have here highlighted as red here. Okay, I believe that's support, resistance in this case, right? It's resistance. Market could not have acceptance above this. It has something there. Prices were rejected. Clearly rejection, and now there's another rejection of this attempt penetration of this range as well. That's why I'm reading here, the rejection of those things. This probably news-based movement as well. We have announcements. Trump's talking after the market close. And probably we're going to have some we may have some wide swings today, or who knows, maybe another rotational, this time can be a tight rotational day, based on what can happen after the market close. That's the main thing I'm watching here. No? Very elongated markets, there is some range, potential range forming here, maybe a 3-day range can form here. The market is in short covering mode, that's what I'm calling this. Nasdaq, very similar to ES. Dow has potential, really nice potential to the upside. That's what I noticed, and this is very interesting here. Something that has catch my eye here is the SPY. When I check the SPY, because the SPY is kind of like more like a continuous view of the market, right? And in here, the market has looked below this range, with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15-day range here, as look below, and actually it's having, it's coming back inside this range. It closed around the center of the range. It may target this upper side actually. Right now it's at center. If I use this, that markets in range are markets that are looking for more information here. Relative to the other markets, we have a little slightly lower volume. Yesterday, bonds are getting away, and getting safe, more in safe distance from these lows, but very, very questionable. And crude rising, gold rising, that's not good. All right, market's open. I like this here right here. This actually uploads faster than this. Remember what I came today Another thing that I have for today is I came to this market with a clear intention, or clear conviction that I'm not going to do anything today. That's what I for some reason I have that in my mind, because there can be some really wild things can happen today. Look at that low, man. I think this is a better low actually. We have the same thing in the overnight. Right here. I think this can build well. Let's see if this is a low. If I got something here, I will use this as my stop. It's 11. Yeah. I will use that as my stop. Alright. Very super freaking mechanical here. I just got I just got a trade here, but I moved my stop. I got too late in this trade. God damn it. This has huge potential here to the upside now. Let me check what can happen. The first thing, let's see if we can close these distributions. Oh boy. Very mechanical dog here. There can be some short squeeze here of all these shorts here. You know, sometimes you got this one. You got these things. Okay, this is not good now. Yes, this is not good. This should have gone really fast through this thing. There you go. There you go. I'm not looking at these numbers here. Oh, by the way, I have finally had that live data here in Sierra. If you, well, this is nice here. This is a squeeze of these shorts here. This is the first check here. This number here, closing this distribution, which will sign us something here. If the market cannot close this distribution, watch out. This is so irrelevant. It seems so irrelevant here now. This law is really bad. Right? We have the same thing happening yesterday. Right? Really questionable here. Really questionable here. But yesterday we have a huge advance after this happened. Right? We have an overnight session that has kind of like was rebalanced before the opening, but we don't have that now. We have inventory that's very short. So there's a lot of inventory, short inventory there. This is wild. Okay. Oh, by the way, I don't have my monkey charts now. Um, I got this. I am testing Sierra now. This distribution has been closed. This other one has been closed. Coming back inside here, targets this upper side. Let's see if we have upside continuation, something in between. The potential, the ultimate destination is this high here, which is this one here. Stopping at previous POC, not that good. This is a huge squeeze, man. Huge squeeze that's happening now. And this is just the overnight shorts. I haven't even checked what the volume here is. Lower than yesterday. It's huge, huge, huge. Now the main thing comes here now. Okay, I'm gonna close this distribution, potentially targeting this one here. This is a gigantic short squeeze. But not this one. This is inside. This is inside yesterday's range. There's many things on Sierra that I still need to figure out. Hope you understand what's going on here. There's no reason to short this market right now. That hasn't even come close to my mind here. Now the first thing, right? Well, this could be a low, based on what happened here. All of this break coming exactly from 8%, now being taken back from 9%. Now we're back at the center range. Just 10 minutes into. This is the main thing. This is the main thing. It has closed this one, this distribution, but hasn't closed this one yet. And now we are back at the center of yesterday's range. Man, this is a really nice business here. I don't know about you, but really, I really love this job, man. I really do. Alright, look at that. There's a huge fight here from Saddle. I don't know what is this. What news was that? Look at this high. Really what high, really what low. If this market cannot take saddle, there can be a huge break here. Okay. This one has been corrected. Now let's see if this market, the next thing is taking overnight POC here, and followed by, oh, by the way, this is not sell. Wait, this? No, this is previous day's sale, not yesterday, my bad. Oh, god damn. Well, but the fact that this is stopping here, this just says a lot about this market, man. Like I said, well, I got lucky here. Center is way up here, man. Way up here. Those 7 and last are from Monday. That are not from yesterday. Oh my god, man. This is, I guess I got lucky. Oh god. Alright. What? Yeah. This is this, but this says a lot. This speaks a lot about the market, you know. Okay, good thing. This market is losing steam now. Now this is what I'm looking here. Look at 1500 here. How I go and compare 1500. Yes, purple here, some other purples here down here, and some more purples down here. Right? This is what I like from so far. I mean, I'm using the same data. I just need to do some configuration here. And the way how I did that is I use TPOs. When I use number bars, I change these things here. Let me know you need some help over there. I can send this to you, or I can do something. Oh. Well, this was a nice day, man. That opening, man. Things can change really quick, right? Where was your mindset? Where was your mind when the market opened? Okay. Were you looking to the downside? Okay. Were you looking to sell this market? That was one thing. Have you forgotten what happened yesterday? And what the overnight session is or represents to the whole thing, the whole market relative to yesterday. That's the thing, right? Haven't. This is not last, just in case. This is not last. But this speaks a lot about what is here, who is here. It was. Did you notice how the opening was and how it's developing now? I need to put a price line here. How do I change a price line? Look at that. That's much better. Yes. Oh, I can project all the way to here. This is much better, man. Nice. Display. I don't know what the heck I done. You asked me to do it. Should I do it? Oh, forward. What about your pawn? Was sale. Play. Okay. Now I want to do the same thing, okay? Okay, same thing here. Studies. But it doesn't come all the way to here. Why? Why? Okay. All right. Coming back to the market. Don't forget about this, okay? Don't forget about this. The market has opened inside yesterday's range. That's one thing. Opening inside yesterday's range increases the odds of rotation. The closer the market opens to the center of previous day range, the higher the odds of chop. Right? The higher the odds of chop. That chop might come anytime. It is just this is a nuance, right? This is last from this day. I still haven't put any reference on this chart. I don't know how to do that yet. But as soon as I figure out this out, I will start moving this reference from these charts to here and start. And also I need to repair this thing. Something really nice here. For example, this is the first period. I don't know why. I don't know why I don't have. Oh, this is the first period when the next one opens. A profile will start to build, and another single one is going to be added. I don't know what the heck is this blue line here. Oh, it's just a line. Look at that. Look at what this low is. Can I duplicate this? Line width, I just cut down, extend. Snap to close, allow, alerts, erase them, hide, lock drawing standard. I don't know. There should be another option here. I know there's something here. I as you can see, I'm not that focused now in the market. This stream hasn't. I think the quality of my stream has not been that good. And you can see that what I do is trading. When I see it happens that the opportunity come here. While I was streaming, so I just can't, man. I just can't talk and monitor a trade here. I just can't. Sorry about that. This and this is the thing, right? Opportunities, we never know when opportunities are going to come. We need to build patience. We need to have patience. Patience is key here, right? When I saw, I went to sleep very late. I had things to do, and I slept when you took the low. I was trading high, but I wish I say. I'm not going to stay here to the market just to watch the European opening. But what happened after that? Man, this was really nice here that you have here. Not to do something, but to wake up and see what happened. Oh, okay, there's something here, right? There can be something here. Inventory is very short. What the market is going to do in front of that. Especially, there's the things here. We have non-farm payrolls on Friday. That's one thing. We have a market that is going from too long to too short, too long to too short, too long to too short, back and forth, back and forth. That's one thing. We have Chairman Powell speaking on Friday. We have a president talking about tariffs at the closing. Who wants to, face those numbers, either long or short? Yeah, that's the question. All right, that's the question. Notice how this market pushes here, is way up. After B open, boom, you got something here. This is why Jim says that if you are doing 5 minutes, 1 minute charts, 15 minutes charts, it's really and you're missing the big picture there. Okay. Actually, I have things to do here. I think the day has been completed here for me at least. But the potential, what a destination could be this high here. This high here, if you pay attention, coincides with last 8% settle here, right? The rebalancing of this short inventory would be a squeeze here, a squeeze. It continues the squeeze here, maybe to this area here, right? To this area here. That will remove all of this short. That will take care of all of the short inventory that we have from the overnight. After that, there's no more. What is the next thing, right? Pay attention to that. There is a tremendous amount of shorts here that are being removed, most of them being squeezed. You know, those who have short the market here, they're praying the market is going to come back. The market is going to come back. I don't say that's not going to happen. I'm not going to say that will happen either. My bias, I have a bias here. I think this has all the marks of rotational day. Well, we have a 9% here, 8% here. I have been using these levels for quite a while here. No, and that's what trade is about, right? You never know what is going to work. Any reference, anything that you do, or I do, I always have to check with the market. If the market pays attention to what I, let's see, I want to just for the sake, okay? Just for the sake. I have this high, okay? I got to put this high. I want to extend this high here. Oh, this is way back in time, right? This is the monthly bar. But if I see the market comes back and forth, stops here, comes back here, stops here, can go higher, comes back, being bought, then I'm going to start using that as a reference. And it's also an indication who can be behind what's happening in the market, behind the action, right? It is one thing having people like me buying or selling, and another thing, bigger time frame money buying at certain levels, right? You can see, for example, investors, somebody that everybody talks about is Warren Buffett, right? Have you ever seen or noticed when and where he has sold, for example, or bought? You will never know. And that's what happened with bigger money. They will do, or they will go to extremes to conceal their activity. You will know that we all know now that he has sold a huge stake in Apple, right? Because he has feel. He has to feel that. I believe those are SEC requirements. I don't know. But because of that, we know that. When? We know that. When it's done, right? He was selling for such a long time, and the way how he sells, it's not going to sell at this low, at this high, at this high, at this high. That's not how bigger money sells, right? If I see activity around this specific level here, around this specific level, even from settle that was from a couple days ago, right? Now we have held overnight POC. Next thing last from yesterday. If I see that, do you think somebody that has huge allocation, right, It's going to do that. It just don't do that. And when I see that, I kind of have an idea who is in the other side of the trade, who is in the other side of the screen. Right? And that took me to this action that what happened yesterday. Yeah? Didn't do anything here. These are more than 18 hours here. Didn't do anything, and just did something here. You know? I even missed this thing, right? But when you hear, right, you hear the talk, right? This can be something here. There can be something here. Why here? Because of all of us was watching here, right? And it may come even from further back in time, just to do something here. Right? That's the context, right? That's the context. That's what market profiles do for you. But we have to do the work. We have to be here in front of the market, here in front of the screen, doing the homework, observing the market, how the market behaves, right? And that's not too many people is willing to do that. Watch out here, watch out here, watch out here. Yeah? Market may come back to fill this area here. This is what I like from window. I don't know how to do profile histograms here. Even though I have the numbers here, this is 100, this is really tiny. But it is nice when you have these histograms here, right? Really low volume, right? Really low volume. The main thing here, right? Remember how it started. You remember how it started, right? We have volume here. You have a lot of longs here, right? The market went back and forth, stalled a little bit here, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth from here. And this could be, maybe this area could be. Removing these longs may take the market, it's dangerous here. Dangerous here. It may take the market maybe down to this area here. You don't want the market coming outside of this 45 here. We're buying exactly from the same area. if this level falls, watch out. This is holding, huh? This is holding. This area is holding. It's a lot of chop and rotation here. Alright guys, sorry, I had to go. Have a wonderful rest of the day, stay safe. Hope I can see you tomorrow. Bye bye.